Hey, it's Chris from ROE Dental Laboratory, and today we are talking 3D dentures. And a couple questions we get asked on these is, how do I reline the denture? Is it the same, or is there a different process for a 3D printed denture versus your standard denture? Also, we get asked, how do I repair a denture? Can I repair a 3D printed denture? And if I have to adjust it, how do I do that? So let's dive into first on the Reline. It's the same process, very simple. So you're gonna reline that denture just like you would any standard Reline protocol chairside. As far as adjusting the denture, kind of the same thing. You can adjust this just like you would with your standard denture. Take a carbide burr to it, adjust it, and it adjusts just like standard dentures. As far as repairs, once again, pretty simple. The answer is yes. You can repair it chairside. It's going to be the same acrylic materials you would use for your standard non-3D printed denture. So Lucitone 199 is a good material. Kulzer makes a very good material to repair dentures, or Diamond D is another material as well to repair the dentures. So great news is 3D printed dentures, faster, easier to design, and they're adjusted the same. Everything's kind of the same that you're used to with the standard denture. So if there's any other questions on 3D printed dentures or any of our products, leave us a question in the comment section below. Check us out at our website, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.